So very warm welcome. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to share a biography of one boy. So first I say thankful for Mr. Pradeep Agarwal sir and whole NIPL team. So let we start. So today I am going to share a story of one middle class boy who is belong to Gwalior, and when he is to live in Gwalior he face a lots of problem because he is belong to middle class family, and as you know very well, middle class family boys facing a lots of problem by the poverty. And our Indian people think is that our poor people did not do anything and did not achieve anything. They will teach them like you will born in you will born in poverty and you will also die in poverty. But that person changed the perspective of that people. Uh, he wants to do something, and he nowadays he's a successful man in his life, and he's earned more name, fame and money. Nowadays he is living in Europe, Belgium. So today we are talking about none other than one and only Mr. Saif Ritik. So it's a behind of me. Okay, so let me start. Whenever he used to live in Gwalior, he faced a lots of problems because of he has not money for do something else, and he has not money for pursuing any kind of degree and anything. But he did not take any kind of course, and he is doing a part-time job. With the part-time job, he is also doing a study. He is pursuing a diploma in food production from Institute of Hotel Management, and after that he went to Nagpur for training, and he has not money for living there, so he's also part-time work there, and he's buy one bicycle for going to up and down to hotel and room. And after that he get a more success, and he's by the help of hard work and struggle, he facing a lots of failure there, but he did not take any kind of pause. And nowadays he's get a very good position in chef line, and he's a head chef in Europe, and he's earn money in 1 month. He earn 2 lakh rupees in 1 month, and it's a proud for me because he's no one only, he's my elder brother, and it's a very proud moment for my family because my family condition is not good, but nowadays my family condition is very good, and my family background is also very good. In my family no one can go abroad, and no one can earn money and earn lots of money, but my brother changed that, and my brother earn lots of money, and nowadays he has a 2 home, and he has a lots of car and many things, and he's my inspiration. So thank you so much everyone.